Let's continue with section 5 on practice test 3, question 1 to 5. Now, the question asking what is the average number of comic books owned by Fred and Norman. So average means that you plus add these two up and divide by 2. Now add this owned by Fred and Norman, so it's 3 people. Fred, Norman, deaf. So you have to minus them and divide by 2. Sorry about it. This is that they're looking for only Fred and Norman. So the average of Fred and Norman is equal to 128 minus 44 over 2. So very straightforward here, you minus them, you got a 84, 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4 over 2, which is 42 here. Number 2. What are the coordinate of point P? So this is tangent to the y, tangent to x, so this right angle to the center, right angle. So they are like nice in the middle. The center is here because the radius is the same. From here to here the radius is 6. So from here to here the radius is 6. So technically this point, the y coordinate here is 6 and the x coordinate will be 0. The answer is 0, 6. B. Now number 3. They want to find which of the following represent the total charge in dollar to use this copy machine to make n copies in one day. N copies in dollars form. You have to be careful. The hotel charges service fee $1 per day. Addition, there is a charge of 10 cents per copy made. 10 cents. So they want to find n copies. So the total charge equal, you have to start with $1 plus 0.1 cent, $0.1 times n. That's n copies. So look at the choices here is yours in dollar form. So it's 0.1 n plus 1. So answer is D. You cannot change them to cents right away. Okay, you have to make sure it's in dollar form. Number 4. What is the sum of the value of the 6 pairs? You said if A is pair with itself, the pair has a value of 2, so it's 2 points. If A is in a pair with another letter, the pair has a 1 value of 1. It's 1, 1, 1. No, there's no point. 1 and this 2. All other have a value of 0. What is the sum? So 2, 4, 6, 7. Number 5. The area of the square. We notice that all the time with a formula of length times length. L squared is the area. But if they give it diagonal, the formula of the area of the square only is d squared over 2, the diagonal square over 2. Since the diagonal is 4, 4 squared is 16 over 2, which is 8. The answer is 8.